To start with, attach the top insert to top housing by aligning B with the arrow and pressing upward to magnetize. Then, place the base insert into base housing and rotate until insert clicks into place. Next, rotate both top and base insert to position A, aligning with arrows on housing. Place button shell upright into base insert. Layer cut paper design over button shell using pin line as a guide to make sure text and image is straight. For a glossy protective layer, place mylar over cut paper design. Swivel base housing into place under upper housing. Then, press handle down. Swivel base housing back out of machine. Note, top piece of button are now in the top insert. Rotate both top and base inserts to position D, aligning with arrows on housing. Place pin back pin side down into base insert. Align the pin parallel to the pin line. Then, swivel base housing into place under top housing. It will click into place. Then, press handle down. And lastly, swivel base housing back out of machine to retrieve finished button. Voila, it's perfectly done. Thank you for watching.